Hello everyone, this is Dr. Haque from Houston, Texas. Many of you wrote to me in the previous video how exactly we should take this natural medicine so that you can boost up your immune system. So in the previous video I mentioned that human immune system is like a defense system of a country which works in different layer, like army, navy, air, marine, different way they works. So human body also primarily 4 different line of defense you can think of, and that I mentioned in the previous video. I also mentioned what are the functions they do and when they do. So today I like to mention exactly what are the natural medicine support those 4 line of defense that you can plan for this moment when everybody is very panic for the coronavirus. And in addition to making all the precautions and then preventions, washing hands, distance and stuff like that, only one more thing you can do, which is boost up your immune system. So anyway, let's move on. The first line of defense I mentioned, white blood cell WBC production. WBC production come from the bone marrow. So how can you support bone marrow so it can produce WBC, and WBC is gonna kill the pathogens, virus, bacteria, whenever you have anything comes up. So which is the first thing they need, vitamin A. Vitamin A also support the respiratory system. So vitamin A you need about 20,000 IU per day at this moment when you need your immune system support. Then vitamin E you can take 800 IU per day, and vitamin 6 you can take 100 milligram per day. Also you can take probiotics. Probiotics also you could do bone broth. Bone broth you can take 1, 2 or 3 times in a day, but probiotic likewise better every time you eat your meal, get some probiotic like a yogurt, kombucha, kimchi, sauerkraut, and any types of fermented vegetable. You also can take bone broth, and also, as I mentioned, colloidal silver. Colloidal silver is like a silver in the water, and that's antiviral and support bone marrow to produce WBC to kill the pathogens and boost up the immune system. Second thing you could do is some herbal support. In herbal medicine I mentioned in the previous video are the garlic. Garlic, you can take a small piece of garlic 3 times a day, and turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric you can take 3 different times, so 3 spoon total, 1 spoon in one meal, and dissolve, mix with the warm water and just drink it. If you don't like the bitterness, you can put some stevia, to make it better. And you can take garlic, turmeric. You also can take black seed. Black seed, you can just skip small amount of black seed twice in a day, and then chew it and then drink with water. Echinacea, we have a capsule format. Also you can take echinacea at the raw. Either you can take elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup you can take 1 teaspoon every 2 hours when you feel fever or cough or sneezing. Olive leaf you can take, boil 5 to 10 minutes, boil leaves, olive leaves, and then drink the juice throughout the day. Second line of defense I mentioned in the previous video is tissue macrophage. In this tissue level macrophage, this actually medical term is called phagocytosis. It eats up all the undigested food and toxic. That means it has to detox your body and boost up your immune system. And you need vitamin D for that. Vitamin D up to 10,000 per day or 50,000 per week. And zinc you can take 50 to 100 milligram per day. Also for the lifestyle modification you can take enough enzyme which can support your digestion system. And enzyme, make sure you have a amylase, protease, lipase, all major enzymes. And eat plant-based food, chew thoroughly and taking time, and take some apple cider vinegar to boost up your digestion, which will help this tissue macrophage for the phagocytosis process. And rest 7 to 9 hours per day. Many research shows that sleeping is so important. And exercise, I would suggest exercise, yoga, running, swimming, these kind of things you can do. And neutrophil invasion, this process you need vitamin C. And vitamin C you can take 5,000 milligram per day, but vitamin C has to be natural format. The vitamin C that we get in the market, that's actually ascorbic acid. It's one type of vitamin C, and that comes from the corn, and this is synthetic. So they extract from the corn, acidify it, make a ascorbic acid, which is truly dangerous. So you can take vitamin C from natural source, like a citrus fruit, like a guava, like a mango, like a green leafy vegetables. So that should be your true source for vitamin C, not the pill format. But if you have to, you have no option around you, like no vegetable, no fresh fruits, yeah, of course you can take vitamin C, ascorbic acid from the store. And flavonoid also you can take a pill, but always I encourage you to take celery, bean, chamomile tea, berries, and citrus food. Those have a flavonoid that boost up neutrophil invasion. When some inflammation is there, they can jump in and then fix it. Finally, the fourth major line of defense I summarized in the previous video, that monocyte invasion. So monocyte invasion, you need actually highly nutrient food. Nutrient can support monocyte to invade when they were needed to boost up the immune system. So healthy food, what it does mean, plant-based, high nutrient, not processed, less sugar. And sugar is okay if you like fruit sugar, but not the processed sugar. That could help monocyte invasion. And that's actually 4 steps of immune system. And I mentioned what exactly you should be eating and how you should be taking all the nutrients based medicine, herbal medicine, and lifestyle. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer as I did in the previous video. And if you think this video is very important for you, definitely share with others so we all can get benefited from each other. And again, share with others and subscribe channel so you can get my next video, which would be helpful maybe. And this video that I mentioned, every information is not a medical advice. It's all about how you can feel better. It's all informational. It's all about for your boost up immune system. Thank you. This is Dr. Haque from Houston, Texas. Thank you.